What's up, guys? Hope everyone's having a good day today and had a good trading day. So today's trade was on NQ shorts, so we'll get into that. So before you watch the video, make sure to subscribe, join the free community. There's free calls and stuff, so yeah, make sure to join that. So this is a trading recap. So going in the market, at first I was actually bullish because on ES we had this delivery off of the sell side, which did not inverse this fair value gap. So I was bullish coming in because we had this fair value gap. But however, I was not overly biased as some people would be. And when we had this SMT right here, SMT, let me just put that. Then another little SMT, so higher high on ES and higher low on NQ. But anyway, it wasn't that relevant, but it's just there. So once we started inversing this fair value gaps, I kind of anticipated it, targeting more sell side. And yeah, so pretty much when the inversions were happening, sorry, that's when I changed my bias, because there's no point of playing longs if it's inversing all these bullish fair value gaps. It's just not profitable. So I switched. I started looking for shorts. So on NQ, we had a 5-minute fair value gap. So we retraced. I'll put market replay. Alright, went up to there. Boom, 1 minute. I looked for my entry on 1 minute. We went in there. Boom, entered. I entered around there with 3 contracts. Then I had my risk like up there, I think, or something. But we went up. Little bit of drawdown. Then I had this fair value gap marked right here for a reason, because I wanted that to inverse. Then this was my basically plan for the trade. So once we inverse this fair value gap, I was gonna put stop loss at break even and add a contract right here. So boom, boom, then target down here. So sorry, what the heck? Sorry, I have no idea why I did that, but hopefully you get it. So boom, 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 then alright, sorry, I don't know why I was doing that. So once we inverse that, I would add a position and put stop loss at break even. So that was my plan. So we did that. And I added a position around here. So I had 4 contracts. Then boom, then ended up filling around there. So overall, it was a pretty solid trade. Just a little recap: inversions on the higher time frame, clear displacement to the downside, targeting sell side, 5-minute fair value gap in this 1-minute fair value gap, rejection, enter, inversion, added to the position right there, stop loss at break even, target the sell side liquidity. I sold 2 around there, then 2 just down there, just to keep us safe. So yeah, that's pretty much the trade for today. Hope you guys had a good day and took value from this video. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah.